Same guy slam. See, he's wearing that pad.
So a decision there on that 4A number 3. 1 point, and that completes the action of the 4A tournament for the day.
Come on, Dallon.
1A head number 4 down, Nick Harriman of Castle Rock, and Biden Duarte of Granger. The on-deck wrestlers for 1A net number 4, Avery Smetana of Freeman, and Louis Jovanovich of Vashon Island. Jovanovich and Smetana on deck 1A4.
Do it again. Do it again.
Over on 2A, net number 4, we need Connor Cruz, Archbishop Murphy, and Klaus Bazugli. Bazugli and Cruz. Your matches now on 2A4. On deck 2A4, Jake Grantham, North Thurston, and Zach Grawl, Fort Anthony. Grawl and Grantham on deck 2A4.
Fuck the leg, just tie up, toss them. Come on, Dallon! There you go. No, go. There you go. There you go. Bridge! Get up! Get up!
All right, so new action on 1A1. Joel Ward of Forks and Jameson Rice of the Oregon Cardinals. On deck, Anthony Sawyer of Vashon.
Dude, get up!
Zip of Iowa. Zip and Sawyer on deck 1A1. Next up on girls net number 4, 195 pounders, Jameson Redicap from Meridian, and Greg Hyden of Connell. On deck, girls net number 4, Jose Aparicio of Chelan, and Eli Kurtzinger, Natchez Valley.
Get up, there you go. Get off your, oh. Bridge. Get your shoulders off. No. Yeah, his elbow's under there.